And we are live. We are live. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Ontarian here, along with my partner, Misty McNally. I'm the passive income guru. You guys know who I am. If you don't know who I am, make sure that you check me out, especially if you're on YouTube. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. And hey, my goal is to give you insight and information on how to make passive income. But today we got a special treat for you. We have a special treat for you. So before we do that, let's do a little housekeeping. If you can hear me loud and clear, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart. Let me know where you're tuning in from, so to speak, wherever you are in the world. Let us know where you are, and we will love to connect with you. Just gonna do a little housekeeping. I'm going to make sure that I'm good on YouTube as well, that everything is coming in loud and clear. So let me do that. Again, if you're tuning in, give me some heart. Okay, see the hearts. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. Missy, you want to say hi to everybody?
Hello, 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 everyone. How are you doing? How are you doing?
I think we're good. Just going to tag Misty here. Let's see. All right, guys, we got a special, like I say, a special treat for you tonight. Special treat for you tonight. We're going to give you something that you can put in your back pocket. All right, for all you Forex traders or your aspiring Forex trader, we're going to present to you a couple of tools or indicators that's going to help you with your Forex trading game. Okay. Now, if you don't want to know what an indicator, Miss, can you explain a little bit what an indicator is and what it does?
Indicators are tools that are used to help you on your trading journey. There are thousands of different indicators for different things. There's some that put support and resistance. There's some that mark the trends for you. And then there's some that when you put a bunch of them together that work synergistically with each other, you come up with a very, very powerful trading system that, gives you sniper entries, tells you when to exit. Indicators really, really, really help give you the confidence that you need to go with your analysis and the trades that you make.
Awesome. And I know that for sure, Mister, because I use them religiously. I've done very well with I'm an indicator trader. I mean, traditionally, you got Forex traders who like to mark up their chart, Fibonacci and all that. That's just too technical for me. I don't know about you. It's just I need color coordination. I need to see colors. I need to see arrows. I need to see some things happening. That way I can put the pieces of the puzzle together and make a nice profit in the market. So guys, 2023, guys, as we expand or as we, rise up every single year as entrepreneurs, especially as traders, we want to raise the bar. So we want to have some things in our back pocket that's going to help our journey and help us make profit day in and day out. Okay. Now, would you agree, Misty, that two of the major, I would say, coveted commodities or coveted I can't even get the word out, but two coveted things that Forex traders are after is when to enter the market and when to exit. Is that about right? Okay.
Absolutely. What else do you need?
That's all you need. Okay. So we're going to present you guys with a couple of tools or indicators that we are using that's helping our trading life. It's making it a lot easier. Okay. So we have two of them, and the first one we're going to share with you is called the Holy Grail. Okay. I've been personally using the Holy Grail. Oh my goodness. How long, Misty? It's been what, couple of years? Maybe?
Couple of years. Couple of years.
It's been a game changer, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just tell you that right now. It's been a game changer. So we're going to go into it. We're going to go right into it and show you and share with you the first two, which is the Holy Grail, and then we're going to go into the other one. Missy's going to explain that. I'm going to explain this one here, the Holy Grail. Okay. let me do a little bit more housekeeping here and make sure that we're good. All right, looks like we're good. Look like that people can hear us. Awesome. All right, Misty, you want to go ahead and share that screen?
Okay. Can you? I'm sharing it. Can you not see it?
Oh yes. I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's make sure.
There we go. All right. The Holy Grail. Ooh-wee, look at that's beautiful. You see the colors? Do you see the colors? You got green, you got red, you got blue. Okay. So basically, guys, this thing is like, oh man, taking candy from a baby.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna tell you that right now. It's like taking candy from a baby because it's gonna tell you when to get in, when to get out. You let me just start from the top, okay? Now, traditionally, when you mark up your charts, what does a forex trader do when they mark up charts? They marking up major support and resistance areas, okay, where price may be respecting a certain area. Some forex traders draw their trend lines, they draw their Fibonacci, whatever they do, right? You ain't gotta do none of that here. None of that here. The blue you see here, ladies and gentlemen, is support and resistance. This is support. You see how price came down right here, bounced off of that, came down, bounced off, and shot up. And then it found another area of support right here, bounced back up, okay? And now it's found some resistance, and price is respecting this area right here, ladies and gentlemen. So here's the kicker to this thing. You see a little X right there? Little yellow X. That is an indication that the market may reverse. So you could be looking for a market to bounce off of that key area and to bounce down. Okay. Now, what the Holy Grail would do, my personal favorite, and what I like to do is I go to the higher time frame, like an hour or 4 hour. I see where trend is going, and then I go down to the 1 minute time frame for my entry. Okay, you guys be wondering, how am I flipping these accounts, these small accounts to bigger accounts? This is one of the tools, and I shared with you another tool yesterday that I use. But this is one of the tools, guys. This is my bread and butter that I use. So on the 1 minute, it'll say buy. See right in the top right, it'll say buy. Okay, and look at the arrow. When it said buy, did market go up? Absolutely. It went straight up. When it goes up. Okay. Now, the accuracy of this tool, what would you say, Misty, is the accuracy of this tool? 80%, 85%? What do you think?
About 85, 86%.
That is a high percentage, ladies and gentlemen, in the Forex market. If you're clocking in 85% in trading, you got a lot of blue on your screen, on your phone every single day. Okay. Every single day. If you practice proper risk management. Oh, I forgot to give a disclaimer. Disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen, this is Forex trading. We're not guaranteeing you profits. This is a skill set. Just got to get that out of the way, okay? Past profits are not indicative of future results. Got to get that out of the way, okay? I like this setup right here. This is gold, okay? Now, you can, any pair, guys, you can do indices, regular pairs. You can do commodities like gold. Look at this right here. So gold was going up, 30-minute chart, respecting certain areas. Now it's come to an area of resistance at the top, and it bounced down. You see the little X? Okay, the X gave you an indication that it was going to be coming down or retracing, and it did exactly that. It formed a little double top at the bottom, respected that area once again, it came on down. Now, we don't know how far it's going to come down until we look at the other time frames and see what the actual trend is. Okay, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell. At the bottom, you have your is that like it's like a MACD?
Yeah, it is. It's a solar wind.
Solar wind. Okay. Awesome. So that's going to give you the volume. That's like the volume and where the market is going. So if it's green, then you know you're going up. Right? And if it's red, you know you're selling. So that's basically what that is, a solar wind. Okay. So anything else? Did I miss anything else on that, Misty? I know I kind of went a little fast.
Yeah, you know, it's really powerful. You do get extra confirmations. You know, the buy comes out. I like to, you know, look on, you know, the 30-minute, maybe the 15, make sure that it's buying on both of them. You get your Holy Grail arrow, and then you also get little other confirmations of these little arrows. So when you get this, it's, you know, and then especially when you have, you know, the blue arrows, it's so safe to take this trade. And what's amazing about it is it tells you when to get in, it gives you sniper entries. And then, you know, when you get the yellow X, you secure your profit and you get out of the market. And then you wait for another setup. You know, I've had people that knew absolutely nothing about trading, just got this system, followed the arrows, and make just life changing for them money, you know. And it's the power of having a powerful system. It helps give you the confidence that you need to take your entries.
Right.
And then also knowing that it's going to tell you when to secure your bag, then you don't have to worry about, am I holding it too long? Is it about to reverse on me? Am I about to lose? But you don't have to worry about that with this. You know, it's very, very powerful. It also, you know, any time frame, any pair, any broker, you can do indices, you can do crypto, you can do, you can even do, if your broker has stocks, it even does the stocks on your broker.
Powerful.
Anything MT4.
And like she said, guys, this thing is pinpoint. You're just looking for certain confirmations, and you can look at if you got the same thing going on all time frames, you know that you got a winner of a trade. And it doesn't have to be on all of them. If you go from the hour and you go down to the 15-minute or 5, and they all doing the same thing, that's a winner. That's a winning trade. Okay, that's a winning trade. So this is just one of the tools, guys. Again, it's going to tell you when to sell, when to buy, but you want to do a couple of things before you get in. And I'm going to point out this too, Misty.
Okay.
You see here's the other thing I like about this. Not only do you get the blue support and resistance zones, you see the little arrows, you see the little lines, they small little arrows. Yep, right there. That right there that is also support and resistance areas, ladies and gentlemen. It is, oh man, this thing is icing on the cake. Okay, icing on the cake when it comes to your trading. It's going to make your life a lot easier. We haven't had one customer say, I hate the Holy Grail. Everybody's
it's been 2 years, and I still get people telling me how awesome it is.
Hey, it's the real deal. Hey, so this is the first one, ladies and gentlemen. So now Missy's going to go into another two, guys, a little bit more enhanced than the Holy Grail, and it's going to make your life a whole lot of easier as well when it comes to trading. So you want to pay attention to this next index that's going to blow. Look at all those colors. That's so beautiful. It's like a crayon. So explain to us what's happening here, Misty.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
That's a beautiful color. Right.
It is. This I love the DaVinci. It's called the DaVinci Code 2.0. I love this, and this is my go-to when I'm trading by myself. Okay, you know, I have an academy and we live trade, and we did this, and it was like so simple that there was no teaching moments in it. We were just sitting and waiting. and so I went back to my Holy Grail because, you know, I could teach. Guys, this is so simple. Okay, you have these two yellow lines. Okay, this is your no trade zone. Okay, if this is in between here, you are not trading. Okay, you're not trading. And you get what I call skeleton arrows. Do you see the red arrow pointing down?
Yeah, I do.
That means you're looking for a sell. Okay. So an aggressive entry would be this comes up, you're looking for a sell. When price goes through that bottom yellow line, push the sell button. Less aggressive entry would be to wait till price opens beneath this. Okay. And then take your sell. Just depends if you're an aggressive trader or if you're more conservative. Okay. And then I always follow price down. And you can hold it until, you know, if you're like me and you do a trailing stop, it's going to take you out naturally, or you can follow it down. And when you see it pierce the lines, get out of the trade. Okay. We have the holographic MACD down here, which tells you like the buyers are in the market. Okay. They're pulling out, they're gassing up. It's just an extra confirmation. They're coming back in the market. Oh, it's gassing up again. And then it tells you when it turns from when the buyers leave and when the sellers come in. Okay. So if you took this trade and you would have followed price down, you know, you use a trailing stop, this trade right here, let's see. Almost a couple thousand pips. If you waited till it come back up and wicked into, it's like about 1,500 pips. Okay. On that one move, you could be done for the day. And then it's the same with buys. And then you have these little arrows just at like while you're in the sale. As long as these little arrows are pointing down, it means you've still got seller's momentum. Okay. It means you've still got seller's momentum. So we would have definitely been out of this trade by this time right here. Okay. We would have, you know, closed out, got the profit. We would wait. Oh, we got a skeleton candle. It's pointing up. Okay. It's pointing up. So the next candle opened above it. You could take this buy. You could trail and stop it and let it take you out, or definitely you would get out in between here. Okay. Unless you know market structure, then you can hold. But then again, the same signal, you could have took it again when price went through and followed it all the way up until price came back down to here. Now there's some other lines on here. Okay. This gold dotted line, this represents your 50 moving average. It's kind of like the midpoint between buying and selling. Okay. And then you see underneath, guys, you've got these little pink dots. These are your support. These are your support. Nice. These are your support. Up here, these dots, these are your resistance. These are your resistance. So these straight lines, these are dynamic. Okay. So that means it's actually like a zone between here and here. It's like a very big floor. And the same up here with the green, you know, it's a zone. It's not just a support resistance line. It's actually a zone. So, you know, price is going to have a hard time getting through here. It uses Fibonacci candles rather than regular candles, which is really, really good, especially for beginners, because it takes a lot of the heart attack out of buy candle, sell candle, buy candle, sell candle, buy candle, sell candle. It's just going to give you the trend. As long as these are blue, you know price is going up. And as long as they are red, you know that price is going down. Now, it does give you, like the Holy Grail, it does give you suggested take profits. You've got profit take 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes it gives you up to 12, and you can just follow price all the way up. Simple strategy. This one as well, it works on all pairs, all time frames, even if your broker has stocks. Any broker, both of these are for MT4. That simple. That simple. No trade zone. Wait for the skeleton candles and enter.
And can you reiterate what the skeleton candles are again?
Yeah, the little skeleton arrows are these right here. Like this will, like this one, it flashed down for a sale. So, you know, you start looking for sales. Okay. So then you get the little red arrow. Like I said, aggressive entry is, you see this, when price goes through that line, you can pull the trigger there. Okay. Gotcha. If you want a little less aggressive entry, you can pull the trigger on the next candle that totally opens below. And then it's the same. These are your entries. These are your entries. And then you would exit when price came back in between the no trade zone. Or if you use a trail and stop, it'll take you out before it gets there.
Awesome. Simple as that. Man, got to have these tools, guys. Got to have these tools. So here's what we're doing, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. For those of you who get the DaVinci, okay, you're going to get 2 weeks free into Misty's Academy, which is called the 10X Misty.
10X Digital Wealth.
Digital Wealth.
We're going to give you 2 weeks. Yes, we have over 80 hours a month of live trading. We do New York session, we do Asian session, we do London session. We have master crypto traders, and we also have crypto experts. So we're actually teaching how to invest in the crypto market, and also along with trading, how to invest in certain projects in the crypto market, and how to take your profit and invest with something else. What we're wanting to do is get everybody making money with Forex trading with us, and we're going to show you how to live off the profits.
Awesome. All right. Well, shoot. Anybody got any questions? Any questions? If you just came on, make sure you rewind the tape, because we share some good nuggets here for you. These two tools, ladies and gentlemen, is going to change your life. Okay. The Holy Grail and or the DaVinci change your life when it comes to Forex trading. Okay. Big time. Big time. So again, if you get, for those of you who get the DaVinci, 2 weeks free inside of Misty's Academy, Forex Academy, 10X. That's a steal. Okay. You definitely gonna want to get one of these tools. Okay. I think that's about it, Miss. Anything else you got?
No, just looking forward to helping people set them free.
Yes, ma'am.
Helping people set them free. You know, Forex definitely changed my life. It's changed my students' lives. I had a girl that she started with me probably about 2 years ago. She had some learning difficulties, so it might have took her a little bit longer to get rid of it. But guys, she just paid off all of her debt. She is debt free, and she just bought a house all because of Forex trading.
See there?
From trading.
That's powerful. There. So Forex trading can change lives financially. That's what I always push. I know you push too. Guys, learn this skill, but not only learn it, once you learn the basics, you can get into get these indicators, guys, to make your life a whole lot easier. I'm telling you, it's going to be like child's play. It's like playing a video game. I'm telling you.
Pretty much.
Absolutely phenomenal. Print money on demand. That's what we do with these indicators. So, guys, that's all we had today. If there's no questions, get with me. I will get you started. If you got questions, also get with me. You can book a time on my calendar, especially if you're on YouTube, and I'll be happy to get you going. Okay. You guys have a great night. Let's get traded. Take care.